Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the face recognition scanner on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra isn't recognizing your face properly. In such case, you're gonna have to set up a new face model on your device, and to do so, go to Settings and go to Biometrics and Password, select Face Recognition, provide your current password. Then, if you have any previously set up facial data on your device, delete it. And now, before we add a new face model to this device, first let's wipe the frontal camera of the smartphone using a microfiber cloth. And make sure, to make sure that we can clearly see the face, our face in the camera. So wipe it carefully, make sure that it looks smooth. Adjust the lights in your room so that the lights face you and not the camera of your smartphone, and also make sure to not make your face too bright. Unlock your phone afterwards. Select face recognition, tap get started, and then position your face in this circle you see on the screen. Tap done, and before we proceed, let's go back to the settings and scroll down to System and Updates. Open this menu and go to Software Update. Make sure that you have internet connection on your phone and check if your device has any updates available right now. And if there are any updates for your device, then of course download and install them and wait until your phone restarts. Otherwise, restart your phone by holding down the power button and then selecting restart option right here. Confirm and wait until your device is restarted. And once your phone is restarted, let's try to check the fingerprint scanner, as the face unlock scanner, I'm sorry. Yeah, and let's just look at your device's camera. As you can see, it worked well for the first time. Let's try it a couple more. And as you can see, everything works smoothly. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.